हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे आप सब। उम्मीद है कि आप सब ठीक होंगे, खैरियत से होंगे। मैं फिर से लेकर आया हूँ क्लास 10th का मॉडल क्वेश्चन पेपर साइंस का। जो टाइम रहेगा वो 3 आवर्स का रहेगा और मैक्सिमम मार्क्स 80 में से होंगे। सेक्शन ए की बात करें तो 18 क्वेश्चन हैं, वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन, और ईच क्वेश्चन का 1 मार्क्स होगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर ऑफ a spherical mirror is 20 centimeter. What is its focal length? A part 12 centimeter, 10 centimeter, minus 10 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Question number 2, power of concave lens of focal length 200 centimeter is 0.8 diameter, 1.5 diameter, 0.5 diameter, 5 diameter. Question number 3, the focal length of a plane mirror is 0, infinite, 25 cm, minus 25 centimeter. Question number 4, electrical resistivity of a given metallic wire depends upon its length, its thickness, its shape, nature of material. Question number 5, the device used to measure electric current is called generator, ammeter, galvanometer, motor. Question number 6, a solution turns lead litmus blue. Its pH is likely to be 1, 5, 4, 10. Question number 7, in order to balance the following chemical equation, the value of coefficient x and y represents are xPb bracket start NO3 bracket of 2 heat gives 2PbO plus YNO2 plus O2. ऑप्शन इज गिवन है 2,4, 2,2, 2,3, 4,2. Question number 8, a student performs an experiment to form aluminum chloride and aluminum and chlorine. Which of the following options gives the chemical equation of the reaction? Al plus Cl2 gives AlCl2, 2Al plus Cl2, 3Cl2 gives 2AlCl3. C part 2Al plus Cl2, 2AlCl. D part 3Al plus 3Cl2 gives 3AlCl3. Question number 9, food can are coated with tin and not with zinc because A part, zinc is more reactive than tin, zinc is less reactive than tin, zinc is costlier than tin, zinc has higher melting point than tin. Question number 10, which of the following reaction is used in black and white photography? Combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, oxidation reaction. Which statement is not correct regarding the food chain? A part, every component of food chain forms trophic level. B part, interrelation between different food chains is food web. All chains formed by nutritional relations are used to understand energy flow. Energy level increases from lower trophic level to higher trophic level. Question number 12, the brain is responsible for thinking, balancing body, regulating the heartbeat, all of the above. The anther contains sepals, pistil, oils, pollen grains. Question number 14, in evolutionary terms, we have more in common with a Chinese schoolboy, a spider, chimpanzee, a bacterium. Question number 15, the attached living has always been part of India's tradition and culture. Sustainable, sad, happy, economic. Number section 18, two statements. Assist reason. आप ये खुद ही रीड करो और कमेंट सेक्शन में जवाब जरूर देना, वरना वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. सेक्शन बी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 to 28, वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन ऑफ 2 मार्क्स ईच. 2 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन हैं. 19, why planets do not twinkle? Question number 20, discuss 4 properties of ionic compounds. Question number 21, why acids don't show acidic behavior in the absence of water? Question number 22. An electric motor takes 5 ammeter from a 220 volt line. Determine the power of the motor and energy consumed in 2 hours. Question number 23. Define Ohm's law and draw the circuit diagram. Question number 24. Give the formula of plaster of Paris baking soda. Question number 25. What criteria do we use to decide whether something is alive? Question number 26. Why is DNA copying an essential part of the process of reproduction? Question number 27. How do Mendel's experiments show that traits may be dominant or recessive? 28. How does our body respond when adrenaline is secreted into blood? Section C की बात करें तो 19 to 37 short answer type questions are 3 marks each. 3 marks के questions हैं. Write sign convention for spherical mirror. Or a concave lens has focal length of 15 cm. At which distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 10 cm from the lens? Also find the magnification produced by the lens. Question number 30. Explain myopia with its occurrence and correction. और given है explain hydromyopia with occurrence and correction. Question number 31. What are the electric field lines? Give their properties. और given है state Fleming's left hand rule with the help of diagram. Question number 32. How would you distinguish experimentally between an alcohol and a carboxylic acid? Or given है distinguish between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Question number 23. Define corrosion of metals and give its experimentation method. Or given है define the following terms: mineral or gangue. Question number 34. Discuss in brief displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, or balance the following reaction. Question number 35. What are the differences between the transport of material in xylem and phloem? Or given है differentiate between autotrophic and heterotropic nutrition. Question number 36. How does binary fission differ from the multifission? Or given है why is vegetative propagation practiced for growing some types of plants? Question number 37. What will happen if we kill all the organisms in one tropic level? Or given है what is ozone and how does it affect any ecosystem? Section D. Long answer type questions है 38 to 40. 5 marks each question के हैं. Answer the following questions. Define power of lens and its SI unit. Also describe magnification produced by lens. 2 marks हैं. What are conclusions of Aristotle's experiment? Draw a diagram to represent uniform magnetic field. Or given है answer the following question. Explain Snell's law. B part. What is the advantage of third wire of earth connection is domestic circuit. C part. State direction of magnetic field inside a bar magnet. Question number 39. What is an esterification reaction? Describe an activity to show esterification. Answer the following questions. What is autotrophy? Give names of autotrophs of carbon. Draw electrode dot structure of ethanoic acid. Why covalent compounds have low melting point and boiling points? Question number 40. Answer the following questions. How and why does fat digest? Why pituitary gland is called master gland? Give an example of a plant hormone that promotes growth. Important question. Or given answer the following question. What is photosynthesis and write its reaction. Define reflex arc. Which hormone regulates blood sugar level in humans? बहुत शुक्रिया. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को लाइक शेयर कमेंट भी कर देना, क्योंकि मैं गेस्ट पेपर्स, मॉडल पेपर्स एंड प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन पेपर्स अपलोड करता रहता हूँ. बहुत शुक्रिया.